Welcome back to the Bee Swarm Experience, Part 2. And, well, I said I was going to post it. I said I was going to post this video yesterday, so gotta keep my word. Also, I'm going to post any day I want. Like, I might post 2 times. I might post 11 times like I did yesterday. I honestly don't care. Because, look, I'm not making no schedule. Because I don't want it to be like, hey, look, it's Friday. You think he uploaded? And then I don't upload. Like, I'll just upload any day I want. Okay, I have to go to Bamboo Field for the brown bear, white man mush. I did the mushroom field in another video. Okay, I'm kidding. But you're probably like, but you didn't do that quest in your first video. Well, I did some grinding off camera, and I had to scrap this video. Well, I'm not really grinding off camera. I was recording, but had to scrap it because one time the background was too loud. The second time had too many cuts. Yeah. So 2 videos deleted, and this should be the video that I post. Hopefully. I'm set. I'm about to post a lot of videos today. I'm running out of video ideas, and I don't know what my next video will be on. Tell me you guys like Bee Swarm videos. I don't know. Maybe you do, or you don't. But I like it. It's just that I don't have something to really do. Okay, we're back. I had to do something. Oh, I got a thing. I got a royal jelly from Sparkles. Give me some more things. Thank you for the moon sprout. I got a 8 blueberries, 1 moon charm, and no. Oh, I thought they were moving the spider. Come back. No. Okay. And I realized that now that I make content, the YouTubers were right. When you see anybody on VidCom and they just say, you just gotta do it when you ask them that you want to become a YouTuber, that's kind of what you just have to do. I don't have any motivation to make these videos. I could seriously stop right now and never post again. But I'm doing it anyway. Because I like to force myself to do things I don't want to do. Well, I want to do this. But still, I like to force myself to do things I don't want to do. But yeah, I want to do YouTube. I chose to do YouTube. I asked to do YouTube. Okay, come on. Please be done. Oh wow, I was done like a long time ago, but I was still grinding. And white pollen, which is the hardest one. Should I even go back or should I waste one of my mega converters? I have 9. So, oh my gosh! Thanks, Spider, for the tickets. Dun 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 dun. Where's he? Where's he? Oh, he's up there. I'm coming. Vicious B, you're mine. Alphabet lore made some gifts. Cool. Okay. Oh wow. The Vicious Bee was defeated. We defeated him. Great job, team. Can we get that? If you like Bee Swarm content, please subscribe. Subscribing really helps the channel out, and And I honestly only make videos to entertain people. I want to be a comedian and gaming channel. Well, that's kind of obvious. Anyways. And yesterday I remember having like 260 honey. Now I have 1 million. I mean 1,300,000,000. Yeah, I'm getting up there. I'm grinding quickly. I watch over my videos and I realize I edit them after I post the video. Yeah, I think it's kind of weird as well. Okay, I'm looking for a thumbnail spot. I think on top of here will be a good thumbnail. And say cheese. Then you gotta wait a little while. Hopefully the video will process this as a thumbnail. If it don't process this as a thumbnail, then I'll just have to have another thumbnail. Okay, that should be the thumbnail. Real people in. And yeah. Come on. Are we almost done? Okay, we have 14. 3 million more to go. That shouldn't be so hard. Wait, where are my sprinklers? Oh, wow. I realized I didn't have my sprinklers this entire time. Well, I don't need them anyway. Only 3 billion left. No. That's copyrighted. No copyright strikes allowed. Hey, Beastborn Fan Club. Which bee is the best event bee in your opinion? Comment down below in the comment section. I want to see what your favorite event bee is. And what event bee would you suggest? Because I have most of the event bees, but there's probably some beginners watching. And what event bees would you best suggest for beginners? Yeah. I'm gonna work really hard on this video. I'm gonna try to make my videos give more quality to my videos, so I'm gonna spend more time on this video than I do on my other videos. So, okay guys, this was Bee Swarm Part 2, and I'll post a Bee Swarm Part 3. I don't know when. Might be today, might be tomorrow, might be like 2 seconds after this video, I don't know, but I'll post the Bee Swarm Part 3 soon. Bye guys. Am I done with the quest? Nope. I guess I'll have to finish this quest in the next video. Bye.